Hey everyone, welcome back to Neil Explains. Today question might confuse many, but don't worry, we will break it down step by step. So if you think like 5 times 1 by 5 that is equal to 1 and 25 divided by 1 that is equal to 25, then this answer will be wrong. So what will be the right answer? We will solve it. So according to PEMDAS, if we consider divide and multiplication, like we considering divide and multiplication at the same level, then in this mathematical operation we will operate from left to right. So here in this question we will operate from left to right. So first operation will be 25 divided by 1 by 5. So here how can we write this? 25 divided by 1 by 5 into 5. Here we apply ECF rule. If you are my regular viewers, then you know ECF rule. Keep this part will be keep, change this part will be change, and F for flip, this part will be flip. So as you know, keep rule, 25 will kept as whatever that is written on the left. First time divide will be changed into multiplication, and flip, we will flip 1 by 5 to 5 by 1. So simply 5, you can write 5. I am writing 5 by 1. Understand and write same question. So here now it will become a simple mathematical question. So right now we will operate all the multiplication. 25 into 5, that is 125 into 5, and 125 into 5, which will become 625, which will be the right answer, 625. If you do mastery and fast calculation, go and check out our 13 books, which will become most super valuable for your maths journey. And thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel for more videos like this, and keep learning.